How to convert your RAR file to APK in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can convert your RAR file to a APK version in your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. And at the top search bar, type in RAR to APK. As you do so, you will see a lot of sites that will freely convert your RAR file to APK file. To convert it, simply tap on any link that you see at the first search result. Then go ahead and upload your RAR file there and tap on convert. Just like so, this is how you can convert it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.